Hey guys, this is a short tutorial on how to easily take the filter out of your Hoover GUV. This model is the L2310, I believe. Yeah. So there's some good videos of, about all the characteristics of this vacuum. That's not what this video is. This is just showing you very easily how to change the filter, because I've read people think it's tricky, but it's actually not that tricky. So I'll get to it here and I'll show you. So I'm going to take it apart. Just undo the clips. Lift it off. You can see in here is the filter. I'm going to reset my camera a little bit here. Make sure you can see this. So within this is the pull tab. So to get it out isn't the hard part. You just pull it out. Then you can clean this. I would highly recommend when you, after you've cleaned this, to make sure you take a vacuum and like another vacuum is what I do, a little handheld house vacuum, and clean out the dust that falls into the motor area before you fire this back up. If you have any clumps of dirt in there, anything, it'll get sucked right into the motor. So here's where the trick is to installing this filter. A lot of people try and put this in here and get it in this groove, and it's a tension ring. So what you want to do is actually take it and create this shape. So you make the ring smaller, and then when you put it down in the ring, in the groove, so you get it in that little groove there, and you just slowly release it, and it'll pop right into that groove. People try to put it in there while it's full diameter, and that's not going to work. So again, same way you pull it out, but when you go to put it in, just create this smaller diameter. This is going to be really tricky to do one-handed for this video, but see if I can do it. Get it in the groove, release it slowly, and it pops in, and then you're done. You can put it back together. And that's it. Thanks for watching.